Hey, I'm Kenny, and this is my truck. It's the last time I put these headlights on the truck. They're holding up pretty good. It's been about a month. No scratches other than the bugs that are on them. They are much better than the stock lights, much brighter. At nighttime with the stock ones, you couldn't even barely tell they were on. Now the low beams have a nice, even, straight light. It doesn't show up as well in the video, but I'll show it anyway. And then the high beams show quite a bit down the road, very centered. Much, much better than the stock lights. Low beam.